So in this tutorial, instead of following a path, the AI will go to specific places to look around and guard like the area to see if there is an enemy coming. So to do that, we place the marker, same thing with the patrol node, but instead we will use a node called menace place. And then what is important with this node is the orientation of it. You want the AI when he arrives there to be facing to like a strategic point of view to watch the area, basically. So this one will be from this corner, so you change the facing offset to look out of the corner, so to watch basically like the room. And you can also tell this node to play an animation when the AI go there. So you can tell him to play menace un alert, I guess. And that's it, I think. Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of options for this one, but yeah. So let's place more of them. So Control C. Then let's place one maybe here. There. That is facing this side. Where other place? This would could be maybe like watching this corridor, maybe also. So Control C here, Control V. So like facing. You can also change the rotation of it to change the facing. I will look at the corridor. And that's it. That's really basic, but just to understand. And what we also need is like a guard node. That's kind of weird, but let's use the guard node. So guard, I node guard. And we must tell this node like the other node inside of it. Like we must nest the other node inside of it. So okay, just copy the name of like one of them, then open this and put this like 00 is the first one, 01 and then 02, so we have the tree node. And I don't think we need to set a region necessarily, but we can set a radius to like englobe everything. Maybe like 15. Oh, that's not enough, so like this. Yeah, like this region. And last thing is to tell the AI to use this guard node and then to use the other node. So click on this. Well, let's copy the name first. AI node guard. Let's go there, and then instead of initial node, we need to set to like its behavior node, which is like the behavior of guarding. So use the name of AI node guard, and okay, and that's it for this one. Can test this. Now if I play this, we see it will like go to places basically. So we decided to choose this one there. He likes this one, so we go there. And he's just like guarding and waiting there, playing like a animation of like just looking around a bit. And then he will go to another one when the animation finish. And he decided to go to that one. Interestingly, he chose to go this path. Instead of going this, he tried to do the all around because why not? Then he will guard, and he will face the correct direction also. And this is it. He will just like choose a random one to guard, to look around the area if like the player arrived, basically.